Okay, another question is from Asumani Kusima. The question is, I'm a DV lottery winner, DV 2021 lottery winner. I'm worried about this DV 2021. My case number is 58,000. Won't be affected by the won't be affected is there any very big numbers selected for DV 2021? Excuse me. So, couple of things I want to explain. I already made a video when the results came out about people with the high DV lottery number as winners. So 58,000 is not a very high number. If I may say something, let me go and pull some of the numbers. First of all, you have to know that people who applied for the DV lottery 2021, it was 132,000. The number has already been given out. So if the number has been given out, so that is the number of winners. So it's a lot of numbers. And if your number is 58,000, and especially if you are from Africa, that is a very small number. Why am I saying that is a small number? It's because of the following. Okay, let me go to read. So the total number of winners from Africa alone is 54,000 for Africa. But the number, then there will be the number of countries on the travel ban. So the total number of travel ban countries in Africa alone is 7,170. Then there will be a lot of people who will not be given the visas. Who will not be given the visas because of the following reasons. The first reason is someone said is married while he's not married, or someone said doesn't have a child or children while has children. So once you do that, it will be eliminated. And there will be other people who will be denied the visas because of the work experience. They don't have the qualifying work experience. For instance, if you were a chef, you are a cook, where are you cooking? What kind of training do you get? Cooking at your home or at your neighbors or in the funerals, those kind of things don't count as a qualifying work experience. But if you work at the large restaurant, you went through the cooking school, those can count. You are mechanics. Where do you work? What kind of training do you get? If you got a training, let's say at a vocation training center for at least 6 months a year, and then you have been working into eligible garage or into a workshop, that is something else. So there are some people who will be denied because their work experience is not qualifying, doesn't meet the standard. And also there are some people who will be denied the visas because of their education. There are some people who will be denied the visas because of the new public charge. And the public charge, trust me, will eliminate so many people. Because remember, public charge was introduced official by the end of February, to be exactly on February 24th, if not 22nd. So if that was being introduced, and remember in March, all embassies closed because of the COVID-19. So if all embassies closed, so I don't think there are people who already got interviews based on the public charge introduction. So with the new public charge comes up, many people will be denied the visas. Because that's why I'm telling you, if there are 132,000 people applying for the visa and only 55,000 visas will be issued. So over 77,000 people will be denied the visa. So the embassies will not fear to deny you the visa if you don't meet a public charge. So make sure you have all the assets. Make sure if you say you have a piece of land, make sure you have documentation to prove it is yours. Not this is my father's land. No, we are not interviewing your father. We are not going to care about affidavit of support that the person I'm going to stay is EBM. EBM will pay for me. I don't have money to pay for you. Myself, I'm struggling. So that is something I was trying to explain to you about the people who have higher number of the DV number will be interviewed, because many people will be not interviewed, or many people will be interviewed and denied the visa. There are some people that do not know even the results are out. So that is something you need to understand. What does that mean? Yeah. So if you have any particular question, let me know. So the people with higher number of the DV lottery will still be interviewed, because majority of people, maybe they do not know the results are out. Majority of people will be denied the visas because of don't have work experience and or education, and the majority of people will be denied because of the not meeting the qualification of the new public charge, and the majority of people will not be able to be given the visa because of failure to put the correct information, like if they have children, if they are married, things of that nature, which can be causing them the major problem into the DV lottery and the status of winning.